Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of Electropixels. Today we repaired a 55-inch OnePlus 4K LED TV having a Samsung 4K panel with the complaint sound okay, no picture problem. See friends, here we already repaired this panel using taping method by blocking left Gatesignals respectively. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass. Now after blocking left Gatesignals, picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. But we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.